In today's video, I am going to teach you how to write good AI prompts. We will use a Notion page as a simple guide, and you will see how to turn a vague request into a clear prompt that gets useful, structured results. First, go to the Notion page titled How to Write AI Prompts. This page lays out the core idea. A good prompt gives the AI a role, clear context, a specific goal, and a defined output. Think of it like giving instructions to a teammate. The clearer you are up front, the fewer revisions you will need later. On the page, start by typing highlight in the area you want to focus on. This is a quick way to draw attention to the key sections you will use while drafting your prompt. Then click the highlighted result so the important text stands out and is easy to reference as you write. Next, type highlight again to mark the next part you want to use, and keep your focus on the prompt building structure. You are building a prompt in layers. The first layer is the role. Find the words act as, and click on act as. This is where you set the persona, like an experienced Agile Scrum Master, a senior project manager, or a helpful tutor. Giving a role helps the AI choose the right tone, vocabulary, and approach. After that, type highlight again and continue marking the parts that guide the prompt details. As you do this, remember what you want included. Background like team size and timeline, the exact deliverable, and any constraints. For example, you might specify a table format with certain columns, set a time limit like 4 weeks, and state what to exclude, such as budget tracking. Clear constraints prevent the AI from adding content you do not want. Finally, type highlight one more time to emphasize the finishing details like tone. Professional and actionable is a good default for work documents. If the first draft is close but not perfect, refine the wording in your prompt and ask for adjustments, because iteration is part of the process. That covers everything you need to know.